how to change region in Riot games. So if you want to change your region in Riot games, then first you need to open up your Riot games. So you can also open your application or you can go with your browser. So I'll be choosing my browser and simply go for the search and search for Riot games and click on the first search, which is www.riotgames.com, and make sure to log into your account. Once you're here, you can go for settings, which is on the upper right. Click on settings, and under your settings here you will have support option. Go for support, and here under your support, if you scroll down here, you won't have an option to change your region in Riot games. But what you can do is simply scroll down all the way down, and here you will have submit a ticket option. Click on submit a ticket, and then you can choose the application or the game in which you would like to change your region. So for example, I'll be choosing the Valorant, and here you need to make sure to log into your account if you have not logged in, and then you need to click on I've verified my email, and if you have not verified, then simply click on verify email and then verify your email address. So you need to open up your email in which you have created your account or which you have used to create your account, and here you may get an email to verify your account on Riot Games. Click on verify email and your verification has been completed. So you can go back to the page and click on I've verified my email. Once you verified, scroll down and here you can choose a request type. So you can simply choose an option which is account management, data request, or deletion. Once you've chosen, now it will take you to another page where you need to select the subject. So under the subject, you have to write that change region, and then you need to select your inquiry. So click on that and then select account management. And on the next, you need to again select the inquiry, which will be need help changing region or residence country assigned to the account. So choose that option and then scroll down, and here you will have updating your region of residence. So here it says that if you feel that your region of residence is listed incorrectly, we can help. Follow the flow below to check if your region of residence is accurate or able to be updated. You can either check your region of residence, or you can simply go for the description and then you can enter, I want to change my region of residence. Recently I've changed or I've shifted to another country or something. You can simply enter the description, and then you can also add some attachments, but I think this is not that much needed. And once you've done all of these details, once you've done filling all of these details, click on submit, which is on the bottom, and submit your request. And once you've submitted, your problem will be fixed. And after that, Riot Games will help you to change your region or your country. So that's how you can change region in Riot Games. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.